Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're looking at logarithm laws, and the first one of them, addition. And this is pretty straightforward, I hope. But what it says is that if you are adding two log expressions and the bases happen to be the same, that's the key thing, the bases must be the same, that's equivalent of combining the expression like this. Same base, but we multiply this number and this number, or this pronumeral and this pronumeral. So this can be written like this. Right, what does that look like in real life? So we'll do this in base 10. So the log of base 10, the log in base 10 of 100 is 2. Actually, I'll just write that up there. This may come in useful. 2. The log of 1,000 in base 10 is 3, and I'll do the same here. We'll come back to these little numbers in a minute. But this is the equivalent, because these bases are the same, of writing a single expression log 10 of 100,000. Now, we happen to know that 10 to the power of 5 gives us 100,000. Okay. Now, this is where these little numbers come in, just to remind us of what we're doing. Okay, now, in my very basic video on logs, I said that logs are a different way of expressing exponentials. And so what I've done here is I've expressed log 10 of 100 as 10 to the power of 2, and log 10 of 1,000 as 10 to the power of 3. Now, logarithms are they feel like the first cousins of exponentials, but basically addition of logs is multiplication of exponentials. So what we're doing here is we're adding these indices to get 5. And you can see the relationship here. We're effectively adding these two log expressions, and the result is a multiplication, 100,000. 100 times 1,000, 100,000. And you can see the equivalent form here in exponentials. But look, base, 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 multiplication, but what we do up here is we add 2 plus 3 gives us 5. What we do here is we multiply these, and the answer, by the way, is 5. 10 to the power of 5 equals 100,000. I hope that wasn't too confusing. Let's go back to the basic idea, and that is that if this base and this base are the same, you can rewrite this expression as a to the power of that times that, which I have done here. Here we see it again, base, base the same, that number, multiplied together give us that. And this is the link between logarithm and exponential expressions. Essentially, we get to the same point, but that's kind of a bonus. This is the thing to remember. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.